Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make your Substack private. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go ahead and log into your Substack account. Once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture. From here, select Settings. This will open a page where you can manage different aspects of your publication. Now, scroll down until you find the Privacy section. This is where you'll see an option labeled Private Mode. To make your Substack private, simply toggle on Private Mode. Once enabled, your publication will no longer be publicly accessible. Visitors will instead see a message that says your Substack is private, and they'll be prompted to request access by entering their email address. Whenever someone requests access, Substack will send you an email notification. To manage these requests, head to the Subscribers section in your dashboard. Here, you can review all incoming access requests and decide whether to approve or deny each one based on your criteria. This lets you maintain full control over who can read your posts. Another thing to keep in mind is that even though your Substack is private, email posts sent to subscribers can still be forwarded by recipients. Once you've enabled private mode and reviewed your settings, your Substack will now operate in a closed, invitation-only format. And that's it. So that is how you can make your Substack private. So that's all for this video. Thanks.